All right, my people, welcome back onto this channel. Well, my people, this is another one reaching us. When we are saying everybody should, sit back, wake up, and do the needful, majority of people will say our mouth is smelling. When we are saying that you people should forget about one Nigeria, you will tell us our mouth is smelling. When we tell you, Yoruba nation is the answer, some set of people will say our mouth is smelling. My people, right now, it has come to that level that everybody needs to face it any way it meets him or her. Like to your tent, O Israel. What are we actually talking about? Now, another one is out. Too bad. Too bad. Yes, the naira had been, it had been stated earlier that the naira will be redesigned. Like, as far as the naira note is concerned, 1,200, 500 naira will be redesigned. And then meanwhile, some days ultimatum had been given to everyone who has the old currency, because as from December 15th, the new naira notes will be in use, meaning anyone who has the old currency should start returning them back to the banks. And then some set of people have been like, oh, the reason why they are doing this is to be able to tackle insecurity in the country. That most especially the kidnappers, by the time they will be returning that amount of money to the bank, there will be questions, and then from there they can be apprehended. Story for the gods. Well, my people, a lot of things though had actually been said, but right now the government on its own part, we don't actually know their major motive. Because if you have that kind of money and then you are to return that kind of money to the bank, definitely, according to what had been gathered, you will be asked some questions. How come you had this kind of money in your possession? A lot of people said a lot of things about that. Say from there, maybe they'll be able to tackle them. That, oh, you are a kidnapper and all that. But my brother, my sister, don't let us get this twisted. Don't let us get this twisted. They can come out in any form to deceive the people that they are working. I always tell people, as far as Nigeria is concerned, there are so many tricks that can be used for you not to even think towards their side. Because right now, as we speak, there is a report online right now, and then according to what Gumi himself had actually said. Meanwhile, according to Gumi, as you can rightly see on your screen, I read, Kaduna-based Islamic cleric Sheikh Abubakar Hamad Gumi on Saturday said the decision by Central Bank of Nigeria (CBN) in brackets to redesign the naira to curtail ransom payment will fail, as kidnappers will resort to dollars and then other hard currencies. Shebu Nayeram. Now, Gumi, to me, to know what we are seeing right now, is giving a greater idea to kidnappers on how to operate. That's exactly what it is. Because waiting concern Gumi with money wey federal government wan change, and then how it will affect kidnappers. That's the point we are trying to drive out right now. Majority of people earlier before now had gone against Gumi. They are, no, in fact, to the extent they are like, Gumi is the minister of bandits. And then now, do you still need a soothsayer to tell you that there is nothing like one Nigeria? Well, and then right now, we already know who Gumi is. He has visited these bandits in one occasion or the other. In fact, advising the federal government to pay ransom to these bandits so that there will be peace in the country. And then let's take a look at this. If it is somebody like Sunday Igboho or Nnamdi Kanu that said all this, we definitely know that there will not be rest of mind. We already know what is going on in the country, so we don't even need to be but stressing this. Well, right now, a lot of people have reacted in different forms. Somebody is of the opinion that let let everybody go in separate ways. Let us divide Nigeria, because right now this set of people know the bandits. They know where they are living. They know them one on one. They are the cause of all this problem. Then why are we now still going to remain in the same country? Now he's negotiating. In fact, he's giving them no ideas on what to do to keep attacking people. That there is alternative. If naira is redesigned, definitely dollars will be the next thing they will be collecting in this country. That in fact, for you to get $1, then you have to work like 900 naira, which people are not even themselves. A lot of people are frustrated, many souls, many lives are gone onto this. So better still, let us go our separate ways, and exactly what the Yoruba Nation movement has been talking about. There's been a lot of reactions though onto this, and then this one is coming from Hosseini Musa, from Arise TV. According to him, it says, why is he signaling that this will lead kidnappers to start demanding in dollars? Is this the kind of country we are running now? In addition, Hosseini Rufai further asked why Sheikh Gumi should be advocating for kidnappers at this very moment. My brother, my sister, we have said it before. There's nothing like one Nigeria. No, I was saying it some days back that as far as this movement is concerned, I will not beg anyone to believe either we are telling the truth or not. Some people will tell you, I beg, now fake news. All right, and a lot of people are still in kidnappers then as we speak right now. A lot of people are dying right now. As I'm talking to you, they are walking them about 10 hours inside that forest. The Yorubas will say, any kan. I am very sure those people that those kidnappers just released will never say they should be one Nigeria anymore after they must have been out, because most of them, even up till now, they don't even believe that something like that is happening. But the people who have seen it clear are telling you that there's no way we can do anything with one Nigeria. Let's go our separate ways. And those are the people that have they've experienced the hardship. They have experienced after, let me say, almost after death. Let's put it in that way. People will say they don't go, they don't come back, they know waiting, then they talk, say no. There's nothing like one Nigeria. One Nigerian has scam. Person we don't die, don't die. Yes, so if anybody is deceiving you that they can still be one Nigeria, we can be together. My brother, my sister, the truth is there's nothing like that. You don't know, but it's better you know so that you will not be misled. And right now, majority of people who actually know the truth have said it that Yoruba nation must stand. Hey, my brother, my sister, I will always continue to say this. Nothing is happening in this Nigeria as far as everything is going on right now. This is 2023 election coming up. Yes, we have heard it from different forces that even Buhari himself say no election 2023. He just the deceive now. Well, that is not where I actually want to talk about. A lot of no updates will be coming your way, then you'll be wow to that goddamn. So now this thing they happen, my brother, my sister, before it is too late, you have to wake up. Yeah, so they are all being exposed one after the other. Well, we don't need the society to tell us who Gumi is. And Gumi had been one of in fact, he has been the main person who had been visiting bandits in the in the forest. According to him, he has been soliciting that these bandits needs to be listened to. Let these bandits get some funds so that you pay them off so that they will stand on their own. We all know what is going on. You cannot say you want to go and meet bandits, you know them one on one, and then you will not be able to put a stop to that. Who is deceiving who? Yet they will tell you one Nigeria or Gami Bagboshi. There's nothing like one Nigeria as far as the whole thing is concerned. Right now, Gumi is of the opinion that if Naira is changed, that is, if Naira is changed, then forget it. The people will still suffer it than they will be paying in dollars. How many people are earning in dollars in the first place? Or do you want to tell me with the rate of high level of devaluation, high level of dollar to naira right now, people would not be able to say they want to go to the market and get dollars? Oh my god, what exactly is going on? And then for somebody like Gumi to be telling Nigerians that if the federal government changes naira, then kidnappers might, according to him, that they might be demanding dollars. And a lot of people have said that don't say they might. You already know what is going on. You have had the agreement. Meaning, is he trying to tell us that they should not change the naira, or the people should be prepared to be paying in dollars? And exactly what the problem is right now. And then somebody is still out there saying one Nigeria go better for where? Okay, well, he is giving the bandits the clue, according to an anonymous person right now, that Gumi is giving bandits clue that he is undoubtedly one of them. Yes, he is giving the bandit clue. He is undoubtedly one of them. That's what an anonymous person is saying. And in a normal country, this guy should be behind bars. Okay. And thank God somebody is saying in a normal country, meaning this is not normal. I pray. So, and some people are saying they want to be in a country that is not normal. Okay, that means all of you only God know where you are taking yourselves to. Yeah, somebody is saying that divide this country, let everybody go in separate ways. We don't need to be, we don't need a soothsayer to tell us who these people are. Just divide this country and let us everybody go in separate ways. Yeah, so there is no doubt Gumi is the minister of bandits, and he has spoken. You see, minister of bandits. That means there is a position, a position that will be called a bandit minister in Nigeria. And there's some of you are still saying we did there. Buhari and his dogs, DSS will turn a blind eye to this Gumi talk, but let another person say the same thing like Sunday Igboho. Such person won't sleep in his house that day. What a shameful talk. Gumi think this how kidnapping business will continue going? Well, don't worry, keep enjoying Buhari regime. 2023 is near. All right, so this one has been said by Amawolam. Okay, that's the name given here. All right, Augustina Moses says, well, one day you, Gumi, will give account to your maker of all the lives and property you've killed and destroyed, and then don't forget you will perish, you and your household. The day of reckoning is coming. Watch out, idiot. Well, my people, we don't know. A lot of comments are coming and a lot of people are hungry, but the truth is you need to just wake up. We've talked about the fact that the Yoruba nation needs to be declared. Well, and this is November. This is November. We have just 1 month. I've been saying this before now. Yes, and then Yoruba 2022, freedom of Yoruba 2022, definitely it will come. And very soon, don't get it twisted, God is working. Yes, that's the only thing I can say. God is working. All these people, in no time, they will definitely be brought to book. Either they like it or not, they cannot continue with this forever. And exactly what it is. Well, my brother, my sister, this is so serious. There's been a lot of reactions in this one. All right, so, and then as it stands, Hussaini Rufai react after Gumi said kidnappers will start demanding dollars if Naira is changed. So what are we saying? What is going on in this country? All right, meanwhile, my people, let me have your own take on this one, and remember to subscribe for more updates if you are new on this channel. All right, thanks and God bless.